how to fix App Store not downloading apps on your iPhone and iPad. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are many apologies that reported this issue, but today we have some solutions and you're just replying on your iPhone. And after all these solutions are applied on your iPhone, you would easily solve your App Store problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see guys, I'm using iPhone. So here is my App Store. If your App Store is not downloading apps on your iPhone, so first solution is sign out your Apple ID and then sign in back. So simply open your App Store. Now here's your profile icon, top of the screen, right top of the screen. Now you need to scroll down and you will get sign out option in your App Store. So simply you just tap to sign out, and after 5 to 10 seconds sign in back your Apple ID again. And once you can sign in, so move to the next solution. You just check is your Wi-Fi and cellular data strong. So firstly, here we go. As you can see, I'm using Wi-Fi. So you can see weak security, and this connection I think is weak. So simply you just change your Wi-Fi connection or cellular data. So if you're using cellular data, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I want to change my Wi-Fi connection. Now you will see, and once you can change your Wi-Fi connection, your problem I think 80% solved. So once you can change your Wi-Fi connection, then guys move to the next solution, reset network setting on your iPhone and iPad. So go to iPhone settings. In settings page, you just see here is general option. Simply press here. Then guys scroll down. As you can see, you'll get second last option, transfer or reset iPhone. Now here we go, you just tap to reset, and then guys you will get multiple options. First option, list all settings, reset network settings, keyboard dictionary. So simply you just select reset network settings. If any problem in your network, so you will easily solve this issue with solution. So after connecting your Wi-Fi connection, we will go to App Store, and here you can search your apps and try to download any application from our App Store. So I think where is the application Google Meet. We try to download this application. You just enter your Apple ID. Then guys, after entering your Apple ID, now let me show you guys how it's working. As you can see guys, after applying this solution, your App Store is 100% working on your iPhone and iPad and also iPod Touch. You will easily download any application from your App Store. So that's basically how you can fix App Store not downloading apps on your iPhone and iPad. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.